Welcome to the ninth video session of the chapter Control and Coordination. In this module, we will be learning about coordination in plants and types of plant movements. Dear children, do plants have nervous system or a muscular system? Do they have eyes, ears, or nose just like us to respond to stimuli? But plants do have the ability to sense things and respond to them. Haven't you seen a touch me not plant which closes its leaves when it is being touched? You would have surely seen some flowers that open during daytime and close during nighttime. We have seen climbers that cling to a support with the help of its tendrils. Have you ever thought how all this is taking place in plants? Plants respond to things like light, water, touch, etc. These are the environmental stimuli for a plant. Coordination in plants is done by their behavior towards hormones produced by the plants and by showing response to environmental changes. As plants lack a nervous system, their response to stimuli is very slow. Plants, they are fixed at one place and they cannot physically move from one place to another. But still, plants show movements. Plants exhibit two different kinds of movements in order to respond to stimuli. The first type of movement are called as trophic movements, which are dependent on growth, and the second type of movement are called as nastic movements, which are independent of growth. The two types of movements are trophic movements and nastic movements. Trophic movements are those movements which are dependent on growth, and plants respond to stimuli by growing in a particular direction, and it appears that as if the plant is growing. And trophic movement is determined by the direction of an environmental stimuli. So trophic movement is a growth movement in which the direction of response is determined by the direction of the external stimuli. Depending upon the nature of stimulus, there are different types of trophic movements. If the stimuli is light, then the trophic movement is called as phototrophism. If the stimuli is gravity, then the trophic movement is called as geotrophism. Hydrotrophism is a type of trophic movement when the stimuli is water. Chemotrophism is a type of trophic movement when the stimulus is chemicals. And the last type of trophic movement is thigmotrophism when the plant responds to touch stimuli. So there are 5 types of trophic movements which are growth dependent movements: phototrophism, geotrophism, hydrotrophism, chemotrophism, and thigmotrophism. Next, we will learn about nastic movements. Unlike trophic movements, nastic movements are those movements exhibited by plants that are independent of growth. They are not directional, they are not dependent on stimuli. That means the direction of response is not determined on the direction of stimuli. Dear children, in this module, we learnt that plants respond to stimuli in the form of 2 types of movements: trophic movements and nastic movements. Trophic movements are growth dependent movements in which the direction of response is dependent on the direction of the external stimuli, whereas nastic movements are growth independent movements where the direction of response is not dependent on the direction of stimuli. Thank you.